Hey man, so where are we venturing off to today on this beautiful day?
Woo! It's funny you should ask. Doing something a little different, guys, today. We are going to Elkhart, Indiana. So picking up a little something little different today. So we'll just leave it there. So we're picking up a well, I'll just say I'll be pulling whatever we're gonna be picking up. That's all I'm gonna say. Okay, so Elkhart, Indiana. The place is called Mid-City Trailers. So if you guys if you ever need to look for a trailer, Elkhart, Indiana, ask for Keen. He's the owner. Hooked us up. Okay, so we're gonna take this little road trip there, have a good time, pick up a little something else on the way. We got something else to pick up after that, and let's just say it's gonna be fun. All right, guys, so let's roll. Michigan, when will the construction end? I mean, like, seriously, like, I mean, I literally, I feel like as long as I've been, like, was swimming around in as a baby, I think the construction was still going on at the time. So, I mean, I don't think you can go anywhere in Michigan without seeing some cones. So, what do you think? You agree, man?
Yeah, it's be construction for the rest of our lives, it seems.
I mean, I think after we're all gone, it's gonna still be construction. Like, seriously, like, I mean, this is crazy. So yeah, I mean, we're just humping along here.
All these cones you see, they're everywhere.
Just crazy. But hey, it will not stop us. We will not stop until we're good. So, all right, till we get there. All right, guys, so we are in the Meyer parking lot. Because, you know, we were trying to do a little pit stop. And oh, so tired of wearing these masks. Trying to do a little pit stop. You know, you go to every gas station and it just seems like you can't get in anywhere, you know. So, like, you know, all these sorry, you gotta buy something or service, there's no public restrooms. You're like, come on, man, I'm just trying to use the bathroom. So yeah, now we're back on the road. All right, so yeah, let's go. All right, guys, we made it. All right, so we are here at Mid-City Trailers in Elkhart, Indiana. So good day, beautiful. Look at the views over here. All right, and soon we're actually standing right in front of our new baby here. So here she is. If only I could be serious. So here's the actual trailer here. Hey, there it is. There it is. Look at this. This is a 2022 Formula Triumph. Okay, this is an 8.5 by 22. This is a absolute beast here.
This thing's massive.
You feeling good?
You know.
All right. I guess, you know, hey, something's gotta go in there, right? So yeah, it's got the little dovetail on it. Okay, it's got the nice, beautiful lights in the back. All right. Once again, 8.5 by 16. And what they call this, once again, this is a Formula Triumph 8.5 by 22, and it's a blackout package. So, all right, guys. So that was a beautiful adventure we had today. So now we got to go get something else. So more driving, more I don't know, more adventures. So if you guys like the content, go ahead and like and subscribe so you guys can also see what's coming next. So I don't want you guys to miss what's coming in this trailer.
You really want to check this one out.
All right, guys. Remember, your next venture is only one step away. We finally made it, guys. We are out here at Steven Cycles in Midland, Michigan. All right, I don't know if they're ready, man. Are they ready?
They better be.
Are you guys ready? I don't know.